Hey there, how you going? It's Mark Whiteley here and welcome to my review, inside look and demonstration of the new Traffic app. Now this Traffic app is probably the first of its kind when it comes to getting TikTok traffic, so driving free buyer traffic from TikTok, and you can do it in like 1 or 2 clicks. It's really easy to do. You need no experience whatsoever, and the thing works. It works really well. Not only do you drive traffic from TikTok, you also drive it from YouTube, and you're able to put those onto your Facebook account to get tons and tons of traffic of these viral videos that people are right into when it comes to TikTok. So what I'm going to do on this video is I'm going to run through what this actual app is in more detail. Then second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you inside the actual app itself and give you a quick rundown of how it all works, all the training that you get as well. But first of all, let's go over a little bit more detail of what it is. Right now you're sitting on my review page, if you're on the review page. If you're not and you're over on YouTube, you will see a link below that you can come over to the more details about it. Plus, we do have 7 bonuses that I've put together that complement this product and fill some gaps that I really feel you need. Because when it comes to traffic, obviously you need to be able to send that traffic to something. You need to understand affiliate marketing. You need to understand different methods of actually picking products and how to actually get the sales, funnel designing. And let's go over what it is. So obviously without traffic, you don't have an internet marketing business. You can have the best product, the best offer in the world, but if you don't have traffic going to that product, then you're not going to make any sales, you're not going to make any commissions, and it's just not going to work for you. So you need to have traffic. That's why I'm pretty excited about this particular product. Now, the Surge Traffic app was created by Billy Darr, and it's absolutely incredible. So one thing you'll find that there is many ways to get free traffic, right? But free traffic usually takes a lot of time and effort to sort of get the ball rolling. Whereas it's not the case with this particular software. You can just click a couple of buttons and instantly you're getting traffic. And the reason why it's so quick is because TikTok videos are very popular right now. It's one of the hottest traffic sources there are. So with the Surge Traffic app, it actually taps into 3 of the best and hottest traffic sources. That's TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, and it combines them all together to give you an automation that you won't find anywhere else. It's pretty damn cool. So let's go over pretty much what it does. So this software will let you get buyer traffic and sales from TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. It is the first of its kind when it comes to TikTok traffic. You can leverage top social sites like TikTok as well, obviously, and Facebook and YouTube to drive heaps of traffic. It's an unlimited amount of traffic that you can get. Now, I recommend doing this for around 20 minutes a day, and you're going to find after about 3 or 4 days, the traffic will just start rolling in, and you'll be able to send those off to anything you like. When you're sending it to something, I do recommend sending to an opt-in page. You are going to find the results better because you can build an email list for free as well, and then move them on to the particular product that you're promoting. Now, we have personally tested this and it's proven to work. It does get results. The owners of the product have done lots of tests on it and it works for them as well. So far, all the beta testers that it's been using it, it's worked for. So that's why I'm recommending it, because it's one of those ones that does work. So not only do they provide the software, they give you tutorials, there's advanced training, there's a case study, there's pretty much everything you're going to need to succeed using this particular traffic app. Now, when you're on this page, and even if you're over on YouTube, you're going to see a link below in the YouTube description that's going to take you to this page, and there's another link that'll take you to the actual Traffic app offer where you can go and pick it up. Okay, now do remember the offer is about 80% I think reduced right now because it's in launch phase. Once that's over, obviously the price is going to go right up to where it should be, and my bonuses will be removed. So do remember that the bonuses will go away once this is all done. And I'm going to go through the bonuses in a minute, so do hang around because I'm going to show you all that. But first of all, let's go over to the actual app itself. Now, I've just been playing around with it a bit more, but let's go. First thing you would want to do, right, when you come in here, you're going to see like a welcome video. And inside the welcome video, it's going to tell you where to find everything, how to use it, and a few more details that you need to know about the Surge loads. I'm going to show you a couple of the things you want to do first when you first get into the Traffic app itself. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to the training section. Okay, now in the training section, it's very detailed training. There's a number of videos in there. It's going to show you, one, how to use it and what it is and why it works so well. Okay, it's also going to show you how to connect your Facebook account with the particular app, so you can be posting on Facebook using this with just a couple of clicks. Now, there's also a video here on this section, import Facebook, that allows you to log into Facebook, connect it together so it's all connected. You just have a Facebook page, a fan page, and you post on that. Creating a fan page is easy, just YouTube, it's really simple, but they even show you how to do that over here as well. Now also in the training, there's advanced detailed training videos, there's video training on every single one of the different options, and there are 5 different ways that you can drive traffic with this particular program. You can see your statistics and the history that you've had in there as well. You're also going to see a case study, more additional training and support inside the training section portal as well. So it's covered everything really, really well, and it's very well laid out, very easy to follow. You don't need any experience at all to make this work for you. Okay, really, really easy. So that's the first thing you're going to want to do, is import your Facebook, log into Facebook, connect them together so they're all working, and then you're going to want to start to utilize the traffic. Now let me give you an example of how cool this is and how it works. So I'm going to click on video post, and I could do any of these, but let's just say video post, and I'm going to go, let's good old TikTok, right? We're going to connect to TikTok, and that's going to go straight to a search engine that's going to allow on TikTok. So let's say you're doing, so I was just in a sort of experiment before on puppies, right? But let's just say you're doing woodworking. Okay, there's a cool woodworking product on ClickBank, and there's products galore on ClickBank, right? You could use one of those. But let's just say we're going to do something. I'll do a different example I haven't done before. So woodworking. Okay, so if I type in woodworking and then I click on search, now you can select most loved, you can select most shared, most commented, whatever you'd like to do, and you can do 20 right up to 50 different results, and then I'm going to put that in there, and all I do is click search, and that is so simple. That's all. That's it. Now it's going to go over into TikTok, and it's going to pull in all the videos that are related to, in my case, this particular example, in woodworking. Okay, so I might want to promote a woodworking product, right? Really, really easy. And then, as you can see, it's pulled in all these different videos, TikTok videos, popular videos, 200,000 likes. I mean, seriously, that's huge. Okay, and you pull them all in, right? That's how simple this really is. So let's just go, I don't know, let's just pick one. Let's just pick this one here. Then you click on configure, okay, and then this is going to allow us to go into another section inside this app where we can preview the video, so we can check the video out, okay. We can then go ahead and we enter in a campaign name, so we can look up our statistics and everything later on, okay. You can even upload your own thumbnail to it if you would like to, right. And here's the preview on TikTok. We can just play and we can check it out. Then we go ahead and select the fan page that we want to connect it to, right? Really easy. You can translate it to any language you would like, okay? And then there's this little mini description that is pulled in from the actual TikTok, right? So it's pulled in this. This is a tiny little description. So I just copy that, and I'm going to paste it over here, because this is what's going to be posted on Facebook. Now here's what I recommend you do. Woodwork workshop layout and tool storage. Have you got your workshop organized, and do you have cool woodworking plans, right? Here's the best woodworking product to get you the plans you need, okay? And then here's what I'd do. I would then have my link going to the offer, right? To offer, okay, whatever it is, right? It's to the actual offer, and then that's it. So now when you post, people read this, they click on the button, they click on the link, and then they go over and they pick up that particular product, and you're making money all for free, right? That's how cool it is. You can syntax this, so if you want to just copy all this word for word, spin it, make it more unique, you can do that as well. Down here they've got hashtags. Any hashtags are suggested from the video. If there's none, you can just go ahead and put in some of those. So woodworking, okay, woodwork plans, right? Any different one you want to put in there, which is just so powerful. That's it. That's as simple as it is. And then you click on publish, and that's going to publish it to your Facebook fan page, okay? Now, like I said, you do this about 20 minutes a day, and you can do about 10 to 15 of these and start to drive an amazing amount of viral traffic, all for free. It is really, really, really cool. It's something I'm very impressed with, and because I was the beta tester on it as well, I'm going to pick up the full version, obviously, the moment it goes live. because I'm recording this beforehand, and as soon as it goes live, I'm going to start to put this in my daily routine to make sure I'm getting the results and the traffic that I need as well. Alright, so that's how you do it. That's how simple it really is. You can do it with live posts, you can do it with blog posts, you can do it with slideshows, carousels, the whole lot, right? There's 5 different methods here that you can utilize when it comes to posting, and I recommend you sort of mix and match a little bit here and there. You know, do a couple today, a couple of different ones the next day, sort of mix it up so you're getting a nice variety on your fan page as well. Alright, and work on your descriptions, make sure you put your links in there, and just stick in a link to a landing page, which is what I recommend you do. Grab their email address so you can then further communicate with those people through email marketing as well. So with all the products that I've got out there, a lot of them are about building funnels, about finding the different products and all that as well. So this is going to be perfect for you guys, because you're going to be able to now drive the traffic that you need to those particular offers and those particular funnels to build your list and get that commission and start to make some fantastic income online. And it takes seconds, absolutely seconds, to do it with the Surge Traffic app. Alright, so that's just a quick look at how it works and what's inside the members area, and as you can see, it is complete, it's awesome, it works, and I love it, right here. So let me head over here now. I'm going to give you a breakdown of the bonuses that I put together to help you no matter what level you're at. Okay, so bonus number 1, I thought this was pretty important, is the Affiliate Marketing Starters Guide. A lot of people are just brand new to affiliate marketing, okay, so if you don't know what it is, you don't know how to find a product, you don't know how to get paid, what's your links, how to cloak links, how to do all that sort of stuff, this is going to help you out. This is why I thought it would be essential with this, because it's something you can use with the Surge Traffic app. Bonus number 2 is a marketing plan. So how you put together a good, successful marketing plan so you are making money in the quickest, the shortest time possible. And this is going to describe how to do it from scratch, right? So you don't need to have any experience, but you do need to have a marketing plan, or you're just sort of, dibbling and dabbling here and there and really not getting the results. So that's why I put bonus 2 in there. Bonus 3 is internet marketing for stay-at-home mums. This could be for dads as well, but basically if you don't know anything about internet marketing, this is perfect, because it's going to go from the A to Z what internet marketing is, how to be successful at it, and how to do each step of it, how to set daily plans and goals, and how to actually produce results. And this is going to be free for you as well. Now, by the way, anytime you want to, you can just click on any of these buttons on this page, or the link below the description in the YouTube video there, and that's going to take you to the offer page for Surge. Go ahead and grab it, but do grab it before the timer on the page here hits 0. As soon as this launch ends, I do have to remove the bonuses, so you won't get the bonuses, and the product is going to go up in price dramatically, right, to where it should be, because it's pretty cool software. Now this one is 100% unique. You cannot get this anywhere else. This is a full affiliate marketing workshop. That's me there. I actually produced this, and with a whiteboard and all that sort of stuff. There's 4 videos in there, each one going between 20 and 30 minutes, going through step by step how to build a successful affiliate marketing business, and I cover everything. So really cool. I normally give this one do it for $97, but you're going to get it for free, because I thought it would be really helpful with the Surge Traffic as well. Now, bonus number 5 is obviously the getting more stuff going on with YouTube, right? Because you can implement this with YouTube as well. So I thought this would be really handy. It's a step-by-step training on how to get more traffic, how to get more commissions, more rankings, how to utilize viral videos over there to get you more results through YouTube. Bunch of loopholes in it. That's what's called the commission loophole. So it is really cool, all right? And you're going to get that as well. Number 6 is the Evergreen Commission Machine. So really important, when you're promoting products, it's important that you promote products that are evergreen as well. And I do recommend promoting reoccurring offers that people need, things that people actually need that's going to help them out. So this is going to show you how to do that, and it's going to show you how to set up the entire machine as per se, to let it run, and you just send the Surge traffic through that machine, and away you go, you're making an income, right? Really simple. Number 7, the final one, is called iTraffic X. Now this is a full system, a full app. It's another traffic source that you can tap into. This is an awesome traffic app. It's been around for a little while, and I'm giving it to you guys for free as well. So they are the 7 bonuses. That is a demo. That is an inside look at the Surge Traffic app. Like I said, this is only on offer until the launch ends. So please be quick and get this ASAP, and get all the bonuses with it as well. At any stage, just click on any of these buttons, but you need to do it before the timer here hits 0. As soon as that hits 0, you'll still see the bonuses there, but they will not be in your account when you go to pick them up. Okay, so you want to make sure you get this before that timer hits 0. Same goes with the price of the actual product. Right now it's super cheap, like seriously cheap, and soon it's going to go up around about 7 times the price it is right now. So it's something you want to do. You want to get a hold of ASAP. Alright, so that's it from me. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel on YouTube, please do so. That way you get updated on all the different new cool videos that I've got coming out. There's reviews, training videos, free stuff, help. Basically, I cover a whole lot of different stuff when it comes to making an income online. So, that's the Traffic app. Go ahead and grab it today. Get my bonuses with it. And I do hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.